Control number 42094, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Clovet Tuzon, 40 years old. I have one son. He is 8 years old. I have 5 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm third in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a vocational graduate at Don Bosco Technical Institute of Makati.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I go to Hong Kong to earn money and save for the future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an
No.
OFW?
No, ma'am, but I have an experience here in Philippines as nanny for 4 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
Changing clothes and preparing foods, and
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies and children?
Preparing milk and give bath and
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
cooking and washing
What
Clothes.
foreign dishes can you cook?
for foreign vegetable, steamed fish, and for Italian food, spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm a responsible and honest and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear mom, sir, if I will choose me, I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I finish my contract for more than 2 years. Thank you.